Hello students, let's read this question. A survey conducted by an organization for the cause of illness and death among the women between the ages group of 15 to 44 in years worldwide found the following figures in percentage. So we have given causes which are reproductive health conditions, which is having female fertility rate as 31.8%, and we have neuropsychiatric conditions in which we have 25.4 percentage of female fertility rate, and we have injuries in which we have female fertility rate percentage is 12.4%, and cardiovascular conditions in which we have having percentage of 4.3%, and respiratory conditions in which we have 4.1%, and other causes which is under 22%. So we have to represent the information above given above graphically. So we have represented a graph in which we have shown that these are the causes in the x-axis, and in y-axis we have mentioned the female fertility percent. So let's mention all of these. So reproductive health conditions having female fertility rate of 31.8%. Similarly, neuropsychiatric conditions having the rate of 25.4. Similarly, injuries is having the percentage of 12.4. Similarly, cardiovascular conditions having the percentage of 4.3. Similarly, respiratory conditions having the percentage of 4.1, and other causes having the percentage of 22%. Now, secondly, we have to tell which condition is the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide. So we can see that clearly see that respiratory health condition is having the highest percentage. So let's write it down. We can observe from the graph that reproductive health conditions are the major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide. Now, third question is try to find out with the help of your teacher any two factors which plays a major role in the cause in second above being the major cause. So in this we can write that two factors responsible for the cause in second are first is lack of proper care, and understanding. Second is lack of medical facilities. So, we have represented the information given above graphically, and we have also tell which condition is major cause of women's ill health and death worldwide, which is reproductive health condition. And thirdly, lastly, we have found out that two major factors which play major role in the cause of reproductive health condition in female fertility rate. So we have answered all of the above. Hope you understand it well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.